Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company Limited manufactures semiconductor chips that power our phones, laptops, cars, watches, refrigerators, and many more. TSMC is the world's largest contract manufacturer of the semiconductor chips for famous tech-savvy companies like Apple and Intel. The company was founded in 1987 and is headquartered in Hsinchu Science Park, Taiwan. As the company does not design, manufacture, or market semiconductor products under its own name, it avoids competing with its clients and ensures success by focusing on its customers' success. According to some estimates, the $550 billion firm controls more than half of the global market for made-to-order chips and has an even firmer grip on the most advanced processors. As of 2020, the global chip market is expected to grow by over 5% each year and reach $440 billion. The TSMC foundry business model has enabled the fabless industry to rise globally, and the company has been the world's leading semiconductor foundry since it was founded. By the end of 2021, the company manufactured 12,302 different products using 291 distinct technologies for 535 different customers. According to a report from a Taipei-based market information advisory firm, TrendForce Corporation, the company that makes the world's tech run flawlessly, continues to hold the world's largest share of the pure-play foundry market in the second quarter of the year 2022 with 58.3% share. Over the past half century, semiconductor chips have grown exponentially in importance. Tens of thousands of transistors weighing 70 lbs were sent to the moon by the Apollo lunar module in 1969. During the 2016 presidential campaign, Joe Biden referred to semiconductors as important products whose disruption of supply chains could compromise American lives and livelihoods. Japan and South Korea compared semiconductors to rice. For better support of customers and partners in the United States, as well as to attract global talent, TSMC announced in May 2020 that it would build and operate an advanced semiconductor fab here. A 20,000 semiconductor wafers per month manufacturing facility is to be built in Arizona using TSMC's 5 nanometer technology. With production targeted for 2024, construction will begin in 2021. According to TSMC and its subsidiaries, the capacity of their manufacturing facilities in 2021 exceeded 13 million 12-inch equivalent wafers. The company operates 4 GigaFab wafer fabrication facilities of 12 inches, 4 8 inches wafer fabrication facilities, and 1 6-inch wafer fabrication facility, all in Taiwan, and a wholly owned subsidiary, TSMC Nanjing Company Limited, which manufactures 12-inch wafers and 2 8-inch wafer fabrication plants, WaferTech in the United States, and TSMC China Company Limited. TSMC provides engineering services, customer support, and account management through offices in North America, Europe, Japan, China, and South Korea. More than 65,000 people were employed by the company and its subsidiaries as of the end of 2021. Its American depository shares trade on the New York Stock Exchange under the symbol TSM, and its American depository shares are listed on the Taiwan Stock Exchange.